my name is Anvi. Today we're going to do easy peasy lemon squeezy lemon juice. Not juice, lemonade. We need sugar and lemon cubes. My mom squeezed the lemon in these cubes. If you have like this tray, you could do it. And she put it overnight in the freezer. And we need a glass of water and a straw to drink. And the spoon, if you need. This is so simple. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'm going to first take one hot, if I got it, and put it in here. I just put one lemon cube. Now let's mix it. Until you don't see the lemon cube. Now let's add 1 spoon of sugar. I need some help. Oh, it opened? I'm taking a spoon. 1 drop of sugar. Let's mix it. Some crusty down to here. I had a lemon. You see lemon everywhere? There's lemon because I'm doing lemon juice. Let me try it. If it's yummy, I'll tell you. It is so yummy that you'll like it. Okay, it's so yummy and so great. And you will like this when you make it. It just takes less than a minute. If you make these ice cubes, you will like it. And you make these ice cubes, it will be yummy. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Cheers.